I'm having another guest that has joined us right today. He is actually not very new because we all eat every day, and I'm very sure probably some of you are having noodles right now for lunch. Depending, probably you're late to cook. Why don't you actually make it so quick and easy and have a healthy meal out there? Thank you so much for joining again, Mr. Allan, all the way from Indomie instant noodles.
My pleasure is all mine, Rick.
It's
been a minute. It's been a
minute. Good. Seems they normally say when you realize body changes, the pocket has changed. Indomie is doing well.
To that, yeah. Indomie is doing amazing.
Sometimes the pocket might not be good, but because you feel well.
Well, one, I believe in peace, and Indomie has given me peace.
Wow.
Yes, actually that's the main thing, peace of mind. If you're in a work environment whereby you're eating well, you're eating Indomie noodles, and then the workplace gives you a peace of mind, of course you look good. You look this good.
I see.
Yes.
Physically.
But thank you so much. Equally look amazing.
Thank you. All right. Anybody who is out there, I'm having Mr. Allan, and as well from that is Indomie instant noodles.
Yes.
For the person probably that is seeing you for the first time, I request you to introduce.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon from wherever you're watching from. My name is Allan Namanya, the marketing and digital executive here at Indomie Uganda. I'm sure all of you know Indomie instant noodles. You have seen them everywhere. And today we are here at UCTV to have a deep dive into better understanding our instant noodles, which are Indomie, Uganda's best loved noodles.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow, exclusive out there. You know, most cases we eat what we do not know.
Yes.
And I'm happy because you are here. Instead of somebody eating something and yet they are not so sure what that is. When I was growing up, I used to think beans is manufactured from the factory. When I was very young.
Then
when I was now growing, I got to know like it's just planted. So many people consume the things, but they don't know what it's made of, where to find them from.
Okay.
So probably I want you to first give us a breakdown of what are the Indomie instant noodles, what are they made of, and probably some of the flavors they also contain out there.
Okay. Thank you so much for that question, Rixel. So once again, today we have Indomie instant noodles here at UCTV, and I want to understand what are Indomie instant noodles. We are out there, we have had a lot of propaganda, they are cancerous, they make people sick, people get ulcers. Now, I'm here to rectify all those things that you people have been hearing out there. First of all, Indomie instant noodles are your go-to meal that you can have on the go, on the move, anywhere you are, wherever you go, wherever you are. This is a quick meal that we prepared for human beings everywhere all over the country. Our noodles are made from wheat flour. Engano. Wheat flour. Okay. What makes mandazi, chapati, samosas, they use engano. Exactly. It's the same thing that makes Indomie instant noodles. Okay? And one thing people need to know is our noodles are pre-cooked. They come when they are pre-cooked. Okay? Meaning you can even have them as a snack. And they use vegetable oil to make these instant noodles. Okay? So if you're out there and you're asking yourself, what are Indomie instant noodles made of? It's just engano and vegetable oil, okay? So it's very safe to eat. Healthy. So if you're out there and you're saying Indomie noodles are cancerous, Indomie noodles are not good for the health, that means bread is not good for the health. That means mandazi are not good. That means chapati is not good. And that is basically like our staple food, okay? That is what we Ugandans eat, our day-to-day food.
That is
so Indomie instant noodles ideally should be part of your day-to-day meal. So yes, and then you had asked me how many flavors
do you have? Because I'm seeing different colors.
Flavors. Yes. So Indomie Uganda at the moment has 4 flavors. They're right in front of you. We have our cash cow, which is the chicken flavor. It's the yellow in color.
Yellow one.
Yes, this is what it looks like. It's yellow in color. When you go to supermarkets, this is actually the flavor most people know.
I remember telling you last time this is my best flavor.
Yes. Now, if you're out there and you're going to the supermarket, okay, there are very many yellow packs, but make sure the yellow pack you go for has the word Indomie on it. Indomie is written in blue, and you can see the spelling Indomie. Indomie. These are the most tasty noodles on the Ugandan market. Indomie instant noodles. So, like I was saying, we have the chicken flavor, which is our cash cow, our biggest seller.
It's actually yellow in color.
Yes. Then we have beef, for those that love beef. Okay.
Beef.
Then we have...
the color of beef is actually, is this maroon?
Brown maroon.
I think brown maroon kind of. Yeah.
Then for those that are vegetarian or you don't like meat, we also have you covered.
Okay.
We have the Super Mojo flavor, which is green in color, also known as the vegetable flavor. And then for our newest baby, which is the Super Me, also another vegetable flavor. Now, all these other three, beef, vegetable, and Super Mojo, all come in 70 gram, okay? But then the Super Me comes in 50 gram, and it's slightly cheaper throughout the market, supermarkets, and everywhere.
Okay.
We're also going to have a deep dive into that.
Yeah,
so
sure.
this we have the 70 gram, we also have the 120 gram on the market. That is 70 gram as well.
This is 70 gram.
Then also Super Mojo is 70 gram.
Apart from the other one.
Apart from this, Super Me, which is our newest flavor,
50.
which is 50 grams. People were crying that, hey, 1K is expensive. We said, relax. We have your bags.
I was actually diving into prices.
Then, yes, we created this for a person can't afford 1,000.
At 1,000 Uganda shillings, you can actually have yourself a meal with Indomie. Why would you complain?
Yes.
You are starving because you're broke when you can have 1,000. So
Yes,
instead of buying data of 5K, you can buy for 3,000.
Yes.
And because you can have data and you die of hunger. But when you have something in the stomach, it can push you until you get
exactly.
Yeah.
That's true.
So this is 1,000 Uganda shillings?
Yes, that's 1,000. So all our 70 gram packs are 1,000 Ugandan shillings.
Okay.
Then when you go to the supermarkets, you'll find these 5-in-1 packs. Now the 5-in-1 packs go for 5,000 Ugandan shillings.
Okay.
But there are times when we have price reductions, some seasons we have price reductions, and then you'll find these going for 4,500, some places 4,200 Ugandan shillings.
Actually,
for example, in like Carrefour supermarkets, you'll find price reduction on some of our products. Yes.
Okay. So where can I get them from?
Our products are everywhere. One thing Indomie did, and there's actually been a tweet going around. People are asking ourselves, what is the one system that works in Uganda? And someone came under that tweet and responded, the distributors of Indomie instant noodles.
Oh, really?
That means, yes, that means our product has been everywhere. I personally, you said, where have you been? I have been all over the country, making sure our product is everywhere.
It's reaching everybody.
I was in Mbale, Soroti, Tororo, Jinja, Iganga. We have been all over the east, and we have gone down to the deep villages.
Beautiful. So my people from Teso,
yes,
this is all over Teso, right? Because you've been
at
my place.
We are all the way to the east. We were all the way that side, and they were very welcoming people. So when you ask where is our product, so I want to affirm that our product is in every kiosk throughout the country. We have made sure our products are everywhere. When you go to all the wholesale dealers, they have our product. The retailers have our product. When you go to schools, our products are everywhere. All the supermarkets throughout the country. Okay,
before we wind up, I want you to probably give us a brief on how somebody can prepare this from this to the plate.
Okay, yes. So also when we were out in the field, people were tasting our noodles and they were saying, when I cook them at home, they're not as tasty as when you guys cook for us. Because when we're in field, we do a whole setup and then we prepare for them and we teach people how to cook our noodles. Now, if you're out there at home and you're wondering why your Indomie instant noodles are not as tasty, it's simply maybe because you're not preparing them the right way.
Okay.
So now, if you have our 70 gram pack like this, you just need 1 cup of water, pour it in your saucepan, put it on a charcoal stove, put it on your gas stove, or if you're using charcoal, you can still, if you're using firewood, it can still do. Boil the water. Once the water is ready, just 1 cup of water. Open the noodle pack, okay? Open it. Inside you'll find 2 things. You'll find the noodle block. Don't forget to wash your hands. I washed my hands before this. This is what our noodle block looks like. And then inside, sorry for that mess,
not easy.
You'll also find the bumbu sauce, also known as the spices. The big side is the flavor. The block is the same in all the flavors. What makes the taste and different amongst all the 3 flavors, the 4 flavors, sorry, is the bumbu sauce, the flavor, yes. So the big side has the salt, so you don't need salt, and then the flavor. So if this is a chicken flavor.
That's the chicken flavor.
Now the salt and then the flavor of chicken is in this.
Is
the
it the
smaller
big
side,
side?
yeah, the big side.
Okay.
Then the smaller side has the chili.
Chili,
Okay? So you get your block, put it in the boiling water, then open your bumbu sauce, pour it in the boiling water. If you want the chili, you can also add. Then you stir, cover, and wait for only 3 minutes. And remember, our noodles come pre-cooked, okay?
Sure.
So they don't take long to get ready.
Okay.
So in only 3 minutes, please do not go past 3 minutes because they tend to get soggy and damp, and you don't love the taste, okay? So after 3 minutes, you get your bowl. Now, our noodles are soup-based noodles.
Okay.
The water that you poured in, leave it in. Please do not pour the water out.
Don't pour away the water.
Many people tend to pour the water out. That means you're pouring the spices out, so they won't be as tasty.
Okay.
So the water that you put in becomes the soup. So make sure as you pour the noodles into the bowl, please pour the soup in as well, and then enjoy your meal. Trust me, you'll taste the difference.
Wow.
Yes.
Beautiful. For the campusers, I know many of you are actually enrolling very soon. I'm very sure you can come from campus when you're so tired and exhausted.
Yes, yes. And this is your quick fix, yeah.
This one actually is affordable and fast, instant, just like the name says out there. And
before I forget,
yes,
we had said this is our cheapest. Our campusers were complaining 1,000 was still expensive for them, and we heard your cry.
Okay.
So we came out here and created for you the Super Me flavor that goes for as low as 700 to 800 shillings.
Yeah.
So you can find this 70 gram, have a whole meal. All you need is water. You don't need spices, you don't need onions, tomatoes, no. 700 shillings and you have a full meal.
But don't starve because you're saving money. Honestly, for me, I tried one. It wasn't enough for me. So I used to have like two of these.
Yes, well, for big men like us, we need two. Exactly. But for those people on a budget, one can do.
Yeah,
one is still enough.
When you're maintaining a figure.
Yes.
All right, thank you so much, Alan. Probably
Thank
anyone that you have for the
me.
viewers of UCTV there as we close up.
Okay, yes. Our UCTV people, thank you so much for supporting the brand. We want to appreciate you. Indomie is where we are. We are the best noodles flavor in the market in Uganda. It's all because of our clients.
Okay.
Thank you so much for supporting. Please continue supporting the brand. It's because of you that we stand by our motto, which is Uganda's best love noodles. Thank you so much for supporting the brand, and may God bless you.
I was just from testing this raw. It actually tastes like biscuit.
Yes, they're like,
more of biscuit.
Yes.
Yeah.
They are quite tasty.
You can also have it like this if you're just having it as a snack.
Yes, you can have it as a snack. If you don't have water, you can just munch on it. Tastes as divine. Trust me.
All right. Thank you so much. I've been having Alan Namanya from Indomie instant noodles, and of course, why would you stop when you have a 1K in the pocket? Go grab yourself Indomie instant noodles and have it as ready as 3 minutes. You have a meal, a health meal made of wheat flour and that is vegetable oil out there. Thank you so much for giving us this information so that now people will be consuming what they actually know out there. So in case you are out there hitting on our comment section, I'm gonna be giving out probably 2 blocks here for the person who will tell us if you can just tell us 3 procedures of cooking this. Yes, as simple as that.
Yeah.
And we shall be giving you maybe like 2 blocks. We start from there, and you can also get it in a shop, in a supermarket near you out there. Thank you so much. We've come to the end of the show.
Thank you for having me.
And a song that probably you love listening to, if you're a fan of music, you're a fan of football.
The song that I would love to listen would be the Indomie song, but you don't have it. I don't know why.
We shall get it with time.
Yes, but you'll get it with time.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. But now you can surprise me, please.
With anything?
With anything.
Okay, there's a song called Miracles from APAS.
Yes, please.
Yeah, probably that one.
Yeah, it's actually a good one. It's actually a good one.
Thank you so much. We're working with the big team behind camera, Chizito, and the entire team behind there in the control room. Thank you so much, the entire staff of Uganda Catholic Television. Indomie, actually instant noodles. Thank you so much for making us survive at the cheapest cost out there. And for anybody that is watching tomorrow, we shall be right here, same time, same show, with me, the same host. May God bless you. Do not stop. Go grab yourself and Indomie instant noodles immediately after the show. Bye-bye.